back neighbors and not the side.
I know, it's gonna suck.
Yeah, and I can't see the temple now.
It's alright. Still go.
At least we'll see beautiful houses.
Yeah. Look at them all working.
Yeah, looking pretty hard. Hold on.
Oh,
Just so you know, Eddie's dad, Joe, it's his birthday today.
happy birthday, Joe.
What?
Happy birthday, Joe. It's pretty cool. Oh, look at you. We're gonna take Natalie out, huh? Say, I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
And I'm sassy.
Sassy.
And I know it.
I know it.
And I love Dad.
I love Dad
More than anyone.
more than anyone.
Good girl.
And I love everyone in the whole life world.
Good girl.
Whoa.
It's pouring rocks. Gill. Excuse me. Alright, if I have time, let's see what the view looks like from the roof.